thing on our hips. Yeah, we take it, pro the phone and got the drinking. Niggas shot cause we on top. Conversations with these Franklins when I pull up to the back. In my whip with these chains on. They look at me and said like, damn, it's fucking slaves on. Yeah, used to have work in my backpack. Skated around with the rat pack. High as fuck, you be smoking on me. Doing trade flips in my hat cat. I take out all types of medicine. Plus see a veteran dance. Someone step in my rubber again. Get your head cut off like Taliban. Truly on me like a heavy man. I'm from the sea like Sebastian. Can't switch up for shit. Set my hair in my fashion. Yeah, we need a TUS mansion. Who the fuck are these little niggas texting? I know it ain't me. Yeah, don't think these niggas want beef. Don't think they want it. Like all of them vegan. I'm out of killer. Don't give me no reason. Don't give me what? Whips and chains. All your shit the same. We go hard and y'all go home. Take your chicken, gave it blind. I said it's chains and whips. I ran the race and dips. Said I'm sailing through the sea. We just take that battleship. Whips and chains. All your shit the same. We go hard and y'all go home. Take your chicken, gave it blind. I said it's chains and whips. I ran the race and dips. Said I'm sailing through the sea. We just take that battleship. Yeah, battleship. Just ain't that battleship. Yeah, you think this shit's a game, but my gang is known to rip. I said battleship. Just ain't your battleship. We got chains, we got whips, and that thing on our hips.
I go harder than my dick. I'm from Mars, my bars are lit. Said I'm driving across the sea, but I do not need a slip. So much snow in the Toyota, I put chains up on my whip. Hey, first place is my worst race, but my court case give me more face. With a fast pace while my flags wave. Yeah, I'm the reason that your dad prays. I'm the one that cannot get played. Raised up off of some sick mates. In my chest where your bitch lays. This crib I'm smoking is insane. Got red hair like the blood game. My bitch like a rough that's whips and chains. Sipping the red but I bought it plain. It's bottom up and I lost my brain. Whipping my whip in the rain. Shining in all of my chains. That's why they look at me strange. All of these whips and these chains. All of these whips. All of these whips. All of these whips and these chains.
Whips and chains. All your shit the same. We go hard and y'all go home. Take your chicken, gave it blind.
I said it's chains and whips. I ran the race and dips. Said I'm sailing through the sea. We just take that battleship.
Whips and chains. All your shit the same. We go hard and y'all go home. Take your chicken, gave it blind.
I said it's chains and whips. I ran the race and dips. Said I'm sailing through the sea. We just take that battleship. Yeah, battleship. Just ain't that battleship. Yeah, you think this shit's a game, but my gang is known to rip.
I said battleship. Just ain't your battleship. We got chains, we got whips, and that thing on our hips.
Shut the fuck up with this battle bullshit, dude. I'm fucking over it. Take me back to Vegas.
Bro, you're... Yeah, man.
What pro coaches want to see you do in tryouts. At a PSC Combine, pro coaches tell you exactly what works and what doesn't. Real-time coaching that helps you stand out. This This isn't just a tryout. It's your chance to work with pro coaches and develop your game inside pro. Join over